The next section is actually not obligatory, so you decide if you want to take it or not. It is in addition to what you've already learned. It goes a step deeper into human psychology to really understand mental triggers and why somebody is triggered, quote unquote, right, to take a certain decision. It goes back to research from Robert Cialdini, who analyzed, a marketing professor who analyzed the mental triggers that go on when people make decisions. Now, you can decide if you take this or not. As I said, it's not obligatory. You can finish this course and be great at it without this knowledge. But it helps in some way, at least, if you know them, both for understanding when marketing or politics or salespeople are selling to you or trying to convince you of something, and also to improve your own communication. I give you an example that is a simple one. You've probably heard of it, which is social proof, which basically just says we are more likely to accept something as true if everybody accepts it as true. Or if everybody knows and likes George Clooney, we are more likely to do that as well. Now, obviously, there's always exceptions to the rules. And so in this case, it's the same. There's exceptions to the rules and it doesn't always work. The second downside of this is that marketing has a bit overused it in the last couple of years. And so we have a little bit of a mechanism that almost like a red flag if it's overused, right? At least some of them. For example, if you go to a car salesman and he tells you, this is the last Chevrolet that I have left. The next one gets delivered not before 1 year from now, or let it be 6 months, and you look outside and you see 3 more, then obviously it doesn't work. Obviously then it backfires, right? And on the other hand, if you're booking a room, a unique stay on Airbnb or booking, and you know this is the last room and it says last room available, well, then it's, and if you want to have that room, then it actually helps people to make that decision faster. Now, with that, as you go through them, take some notes in terms of how you have fallen for that in the past, and also how you could make use of that ethically in the right way that improves you as a salesperson or as an entrepreneur, but it also improves you as a communicator, because you will find some of those triggers that are actually inborn in us, and you will find that they are very important for any type of communication.